Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this Google device. Firstly, just go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Privacy section. When you're ready, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's options, like Location. Then pick an app by clicking on it, like Calendar, and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so now when I go back, as you can see Calendar just gained access to this device location if I'm using this app. But you can always pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in. For example, Messages. Now choose See All Messages permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!